Hello everybody. Today is a bisque day, and today is a very special bisque day for me because I'm using a clay that I haven't used before, and we're gonna see how it came out. It's like a surprise for me. So this clay, believe it or not, it's red clay, but it's somebody that I bought. I bought this clay from somebody that he actually makes it himself in Cyprus. So that's the color. I don't know if you can tell. It's sort of like red. And he told me I can't go up like to a high temperature. It's only gonna be 1030, something like that. So that's a change for me. This is also new. This clay I bought it's actually very expensive. Clay here is very expensive. You can't really get it. You have to order it from Greece, and I went to a special store in Nicosia, and I bought this clay, and I said I'm just gonna try it. It has no grog in it, but I said I'm just gonna try it anyway. This students of mine came and they did that. I'm not gonna mix it up because I don't know if they could tell what they did. There are so many things.
They didn't sign their name?
They didn't sign their names, no. Oh, that I did that. I like it. It's cute, very light. You would like that because you like light when it's light. I actually did that too because I said I want to experiment. You see the stamp? I love it. I bought it from Temo. This one too. And I love them.
Yeah.
Beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, this came out nice. I think she's 10 years old. She did it. That little girl. Okay, where am I gonna put it? Cute. It's so cute. This I don't know. This Raz kid, he made it's a grenade. Don't ask me why kids. Actually, if they're from Israel, it makes sense. They would make grenades.
It looks like an apple.
It looks like an apple.
Pomegranate.
Yeah, but that was his goal. Anyway, this is the lid. This is something that one of the kids make, but this is the lid for that, like a box. All right. This I actually put it here. It's nothing. That turned out cute. And some more stuff that she made, this girl.
Maybe you need to hold it against this background so I can see it.
Oh, like this? You want to try it like that? See if...
Yes.
Better?
Yeah.
So she actually used like one of the stems. I like it. She wanted it to be open like that. Okay. This, I made it because once we went for a dinner and I baked something and I left it there. How do you say it? Oh my god. It's the pen. It's like a baking pen. So I said, instead of buying a new one, I'm just gonna make myself one. Cute, hey? All right. Now, I gotta tell you, I have to see what happened with this one. Yep, it actually turned out good. You know why? I'll show you. Oh, kind of good, I guess. I hope it's not gonna crack completely. I tried to fix it for a week, maybe. And
It's supposed to be an ashtray.
it's supposed to be an ashtray, yes. But the problem is that actually it was my mistake because I left it outside to dry. And I didn't cover it, and it's very hot. So, look at that. Huh?
Like
it's cute.
Face. Yeah.
Yeah. So, that was the only thing, and this guy worked on it for such a long time, and I was really like upset. I said, wow, how did that happen? Look at that. Some of them, you see, they're not even red. They're like, I don't understand this clay. This is so weird. This is the weirdest clay. But I decided it would be good for kids to use just because it's not that expensive like the other clays here. Oh, here. This I made this. I don't know why it's white. It's not like the same. I don't know. Who am I to say? Let's see. Second firing. We'll see what happens. It's cute. All right. That Sophia made it. A snake and fish. You see here it says Sophia. And bread, challah bread. Yeah. So I think that would be there. Now the bottom part, this is the most interesting part. And I'm going to show you why. Because Raz, this kid, he decided that he was going to make, well, I didn't see, this morning I actually, wow, it actually turned out good. I was like so afraid that it's going to turn out to be, that it's going to explode because he made it so thick and I, oh my God.
Someone beheaded.
Oh, no, please. But it's nice. No, I would leave it like that.
Yeah, it's nice.
I would actually leave it like that.
He's gonna glaze it.
He's gonna glaze it. Where am I gonna put it? And this is also something that he made. This is like a creature from Minecraft. Not something that I can understand. This is also something that he made.
Yeah.
Creatures. He likes to make like weird creatures. And this,
also Minecraft.
I guess so. And I think this is something that I made. Yeah. Well, at least some of it. Yeah. This no. But I wanted to show Sophia what I can make of it. So this is also, I think maybe it's Sophia's. Anyway. So, but let me show you the bottom part of it. Here. I'm gonna make some mobiles to hang. Then I want to make another video of my outdoor studio. I'm gonna show you another video. Oh, look at that. It's nice.
Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful stem.
So, it is what it is, right? So, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you like it, like and subscribe, and you can share, make comments, and thank you, and see you on my next video. Thank you.